Good morning, it's Kathy Tardivi and I'm glad you're here. Today I want to talk to you about the Braided 8 and the Leather 8 from Lilla Rose and why they're such a great option for those of us with fine, thin hair. So I want to start out by showing you the flexi that I'm wearing in my hair right now. So I wanted you to compare the difference so that you know what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm wearing, which is just your normal flexi clip. It's the coffee one, coffee or tea if you're a tea drinker, or hot chocolate, any of those would work for the coffee cup. I just think it's super cute. So that is a just regular flexi. Now, the reason why I think that these leather 8s or braided 8s are a great option. You can see the difference. The leathers are just pretty smooth except for that stitching there. And these have a little bit of a, I don't know what you call that, but they're considered a braided 8. Kind of looks like a snake skin, but not really. So these are similar size to what I already have in. So I want to show you the difference in how they look. And I'm going to just take that out. So for the braided 8, you just hold the hair, find the hole, and I just put that stick behind, grab the hair with that finger, and put that in, just like that. Now, can you see the difference in how that looks in my hair? It stands out a lot better, doesn't it? So from a distance, it looks like, or at least it gives the illusion of having more hair and having something really pretty in your hair. So that's the braided 8. The leather 8 is the same. Just drop that. Same principle. You lay that across, find the hole. I'm going to stick my hair in that finger so I can get this stick in with my hair out of the way. And there is the leather 8, which is a pretty option too. So can you see the difference that I'm talking about? It just gives, I don't know, just a nicer visual effect in my mind. So I wanted you to know that they are a good option even for those of us with thin, slippery, straight hair. They do stay in. I know when I was younger and they had these type of things out on the market, this was not flexible. It was like a, I don't know, a leathery, plasticky kind of thing, and it wasn't flexible, and it didn't stay in my hair because it would slide right out. I didn't have enough hair to fill it. The nice thing about these is that you can fill them with your hair because the braided part is flexible. See that? So again, just keep the hair out of the way, and that fits in nice and secure, and it holds just like the flexi holds, and they're comfortable. They do not give you a hair headache. They do not bother people who tend to get migraines. These are very lightweight, so they don't usually have that same issue. There are a few different styles, well, a lot of different styles on the website. This is one, I think that's called Camel, and there's different sticks. You can choose different color sticks. There's cream, there's a carnation pink one, there's purple, there's different wood tones. Or you can, when you're selecting one of these, you can choose the no stick option and then go with maybe another option on the website. So let's see. There's a purple one, but you could choose this purple stick instead of the one that normally goes with the leathers. So a few options for you. I wanted to show you, just this is for my half up. If I want to do one of the bigger sizes, I can just gather all of my hair. If I do, say if I do a French twist kind of thing, wrap it around my finger and come up with it. And then you just lay this across. Let me see. Lay this across the top and stick the stick through. Make sure to get some hair at your scalp as well. And then this, you just fan out. You can bobby pin that a little bit if you want to, if you feel better about that. Should have gone probably a little bit higher, but you can just bobby pin it. All right. So that is it. That is my hairstyle demo using the braided 8s and the leather 8s. So I will see you again soon with another hairstyle option with Lilla Rose accessories. In the meantime, please subscribe to my channel below. Make sure you hit the bell notification to make sure that you see all of the new videos as I upload them. Thanks again for stopping by. I'll catch you later. Bye.